Ryan Sunglee of Rappler.com here with Jerwin Onkaha, the IBF Junior Bantamweight Champion. Jerwin, you're cutting down weight for the 115-pound limit. How do you feel right now?
It's good. Maganda naman yung condition, sir. Kunting ano na lang. 1 pound, sir.
So you're here in Australia. You're going to be fighting. There's going to be 50,000 fans, and in the United States, Bob Arum estimates 5 to 10 million people watching on television, plus many fights of many fans around the world, in the Philippines. Are you excited to finally get that spotlight to be seen by many people?
Opo, excited po talaga kami, sir, kasi sobrang dami nga ng manood sa laban sa TV, lalo sa TV. Kaya yun yung parang ano namin, sir, na magpakita nga ng ganang laban. Yung kailangan impressive yung laban.
What about the main event? It's your promoter, Manny Pacquiao, who's fighting Jeff Horn. How do you see that fight happening?
Para sa akin, sir, kung para sa akin, parang hindi tatagal si Horn sa lakas ni Sir Manny, sir, sa kondisyon niya. Lalo nung nakita ko yung ensayo niya, parang walang nagbago ba si Sir Manny.
What about your opponent, Kinoshita? I saw him today. He's working out at the public workout. Have you studied his style? What do you think about him? He doesn't seem to have a lot of punching power. But other than that, what do you see in Kinoshita?
Para sa amin, nakita namin yung mga laban niya sa YouTube. May galing po siya, magaling sa distansya. Kaya kahit nasabi na sabi nila, mahina daw, hindi pa rin magkumpiyansa po. Yun po yung namin, hindi talaga magkumpiyansa sa laban.
There's a lot of Filipinos here in Brisbane and in Australia in general. Are you excited about making new fans and showing the people how you fight?
Opo, talagang excited na po ako nagpakita yung skill ko sa bilang boksingero po sa maraming tao.
Do you have anything you want to say to the fans watching?
Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo sa darating na laban sa linggo. Sana supportahan niyo po, lalo na sa mga Pinoy na manonood, sana supportahan niyo po kami na manalo at sana prayer po, yung dasal po tayo.